Not really sure where to look. Either way, I am here gathering tools and supplies for a job. This is gonna be a deep clean and patch and paint, lock change, yada yada. It's gonna be a long day, but a majority of that time is basically transferring all of the supplies. We'll see what I can get done once I get there. Here we are. We are going up there. Just got all this stuff up here. Yeah, that's a lot of work getting this up 3 floors from the Civic. We're gonna have to get rid of all of this junk. This is left behind. Getting rid of that. This thing. So I'm pretty much gonna hop in here and start running around. This place is filthy. Probably do the cleaning tomorrow. So I'm just gonna paint these walls. They're pretty scuffed up. This wall, that one, likely all of them. That's gonna need mud. I think I'll paint that. Scrape and paint. The roofer is supposed to be done. That's shitty. I'm gonna go figure out this car situation. Got the rest of my stuff up here. So, dude said my card would be fine right there, so we're running with that. So I'm gonna start with getting this off, scraping all that down. All right, I'm gonna set up the GoPro so I don't have to be dicking around with filming. I went to go unscrew this, and I just kind of gave it a little tug, and it just comes right off the wall. Still wet. It is now 4:15. I just did what I could at least. Gathered all the junk. I just made this pile here. I got the fan going on this. This is gonna be a problem. We'll see how that dries, but it's gonna need another layer of primer and another layer of mud and another layer of primer and possibly another layer. It's just gonna be fucked. I fixed this door, so that's good. Reinstalled. That's nice, but it's completely jerry-rigged. I don't know. Let's see. That's the solution I came up with, but that thing is locked in. If somehow this thing comes off the track, somebody really had a bad day. So I had an incident where I noticed a piece of flying plywood from that balcony almost hitting my car, which is right there. Idiots dropping shit from the top floor, nearly ruining my car. I went out there and I fucking started yelling. I'm so pissed at these dumbasses. I actually put my camera up in the window basically to show them, like, I'm not fucking around. If you're gonna continue doing that, you're So they stopped, and I painted this wall, and I'm going around painted the bathroom. The filming kind of just stopped because I had to deal with the situation, basically. What a fucking dumb thing to witness. People are so stupid, so dumb. So that's how I feel. Next plan is to come back tomorrow. Shop vac has been acquired, as well as an air filter. Did a better parking job today. Locked the gate up. Picked up the new locks, picked up the shop vac, picked up the blinds that I needed. It's still wet. Home easier for the roof. I do need to still adjust this door. It doesn't close all the way. It needs to be adjusted at the bottom, actually. Here it is. And the door now fully functions. Actually, no. That needs to be tightened. It's good. I decided that I'm going to start the cleaning process. enough, right? Well, found a good stopping point. And we're drying.